Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today we are going to be unboxing another storage for the kitchen. So this is a can rack storage which can hold up to 72 cans. So you can see the details here. It's gravity fed, adjustable shelves, and stackable. So let's open it up. Here are the dimensions. The color is silver, and I have opened already. So let's check this out. Let me zoom it in so you can see better. So that's all the contents. Along with the instruction. So this is the instructions. This is how it's gonna look like after you assemble the storage. So there's the instruction. I'm gonna read it and I'll show you how to put it together. So the instruction says open the frame and lay it on a flat surface. So this is the frame. The packaging. So there. Not sure if you can see that. That is the frame. So the next step is to snap 2 feet on each of the metal, the bottom of the metal. So look at the instruction here. We're supposed to put 2 feet on the bottom. So let's do that. So I'm gonna put one over here. So this is like it's a very soft silicone material, so it snaps really easily. So I got this 2 taken care of, and let's do the other side. Okay, so we got the 4 feet. Now let's proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step is hooking this rack. So we'll hook the bottom rack here, over here. So this is how you hook it, and then hook it on the other side, like so. Tricky. I'll show you closer how to hook it. So hook it here, and then hook it here. Oops. And then hook over there on the other side. This is a little bit tricky. So after 20 minutes of troubleshooting, I couldn't get this this to fit. It seemed to not reach the hooks. So I found out something very important in the instruction. It says here, note, the wire rails should be inside as shown. So this part here, this should be inside. So I need to flip it over this way and see if this fits now. I think it will fit now. Let's see here. So hook the bottom piece like so, and now, yes, now it reaches the bottom piece. There you go. So that is an easy solution. So let's go to the next one. The second rail. Attach it like so. There you go. It's the second. And let's move to the third. There you go. So that's the third. So as you can see, there's 3 levels now. And now we can add the next piece in the top. So it's stackable. So now I'm going to show you how to stack them together. This is the second piece. Make sure you're doing it inside again. So this piece needs to be inside. So I'm going to flip it over like so. And then this piece should go inside this notch over here. So let me just show that to you clearly. So there's a hole over here. This needs to go flush in like this. Let's see here, like that. So that's how it's gonna hold together. So now it's gonna be a little bit taller. So I'm gonna put the racks on the top piece. It's just the same process as the bottom piece, so just fit it. It's a little bit tricky, but let's see if we can get this to work. So I'm gonna try to insert it like this. Oh. It is a little bit tricky, so there you go. And like so. Alright, so there you go. So we got the first one. And what's the second one? And this is the third one. Okay, so I have all 6 racks now. I'm going to show you so there's the first rack, second rack, third rack, fourth rack, fifth rack, and sixth rack. So on the side it looks like this. And it says here that it would fit 72 cans. So we will try that out later. So that would really save a lot of space in your pantry if you're needing some storage space. Okay, so the final piece that I want to show you before I end this video are these dividers. So this set comes with 10 dividers, so you can use the dividers like this. I'll show it to you in the top part. So they're like this. I think. Just do like this, and so you can like move it around like this. And there, so you can move the divider like, it's not very stable, but it's okay. So I read the instruction, and you're actually supposed to put the hook on the back piece, so like this, and then you can move the divider front to back like this. So the same goes. So right now I'm just attaching all these dividers. So this is the hook. You can put like 3 hooks per rack.
1, 2, 3, here. 1, 2, 3. We can play it again.
So that is our video for today. Another storage video. Hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.